Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can find out which theme a website is using if it is a WordPress website. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard and here you can see I'm using the 2025 theme. So let's go over into my site and see whether I can detect it just by looking at it. Now, you wouldn't be able to know just by the look of the site if this is that template. You might have some contextual clues such as the font and the color of the buttons and things such as that. However, you wouldn't know for sure since certain themes share certain elements. Now, what you can also do if you can't see the visual cues, you can go scroll down, and in the bottom left, as you can see, in the bottom left of my footer, there is the 2025 name of the theme, which I'm not sure if it works for all themes. However, it does work for this one, so just check it out and see if it works for you. Now, if you can't do that, what you can also do is you can install a third-party plugin. If you're using Chrome or a Chromium browser, you can find plugins which will help you with this. Now, I have found this one, which is the WordPress theme and plugin detector, which you can freely use to detect any themes and plugins you might have. Now, as you can see, it has detected some WordPress themes over here, and it has detected a child theme over here. I won't install it as to not clutter up my plugins on my browser, but yeah, you can use this and it'll just detect the theme when you're using it on a site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.